Welcome back to Crazy Auto Premiere, where we bring you the inside scoop on the latest cars and innovations in the automotive world. Today, we're looking at a compact crossover that's redefined practicality and style, the 2025 Kia Sportage. With its fresh design, tech upgrades, and value-packed features, this might just be the best Kia Sportage yet. Let's see if this model has what it takes to stand out. Compact crossovers have surged in popularity because they offer the best of both worlds: flexibility, comfort, and style. The 2025 Kia Sportage, priced at an attractive $28,565 starting point, brings a lot of value to the table, especially when you look at the standard and optional features. This two-row Sportage has that affordable pricing edge compared to rivals like the Mazda CX-5 and Honda CR-V. Now, it's worth noting that while you get a 187 horsepower four-cylinder engine, the non-hybrid version might leave thrill seekers wanting a bit more power, especially when we compare it to its Sportage hybrid sibling. However, Kia's vision here is clear. This vehicle is all about delivering quality and value without breaking the bank. For 2025, Kia is keeping the winning formula of the redesigned 2023 model largely intact. It's no wonder they didn't make any big changes. The 2023 Sportage had an overhaul that brought in sleek new looks, enhanced tech, and a practical interior. Plus, it shares a lot of its underpinnings with the Hyundai Tucson, meaning it gets the best of modern architecture and safety features. Now, let's talk about trims. The Sportage lineup starts with the base model but offers a variety of upgrades, topping out with the X Pro Prestige AWD, which goes for around $40,030. But the mid-range EX trim, priced in the sweet spot, really shines for value. It comes with a larger 2.3-inch infotainment screen, wireless charging, and heated front seats. You get premium tech and comfort features without pushing into the higher price range. Under the hood, we have a 2.5-liter inline-four engine cranking out 187 horsepower and 178 lb-ft of torque. It's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, available with either front-wheel or all-wheel drive. Now, the X-Line trim gives the Sportage a rugged, off-road ready vibe, but for those serious about venturing off pavement, the X Pro trim is where it's at. It rides on black 17-inch rims and all-terrain tires and comes with selectable drive modes that adapt to different terrains. However, if speed's what you're after, the Sportage Hybrid is your choice. The non-hybrid Sportage takes about 9.1 seconds to hit 60 miles per hour, while the hybrid does it in just 7.4 seconds, nearly 2 seconds faster. The Sportage isn't a towing champion, but it can handle up to 2,500 pounds with an aftermarket trailer brake. As for fuel economy, Kia delivers here too. Front-wheel drive models get an EPA rating of 25 mpg city and 30 to highway, while the AWD trims clock in at 23 city and 28 highway. Impressively, our real-world tests showed that the AWD Sportage X Pro Prestige managed to achieve 31 mpg on the highway. Inside, the 2025 Sportage impresses with an upscale design featuring an optional two-tone color scheme or an all-black cabin. A large, sweeping digital display highlights the dashboard, giving it a modern, high-tech look. The layout is driver-focused with a rotary shift knob and a streamlined console. You've got rear seats with plenty of legroom for adults and an impressive 40 cubic feet of cargo space behind them. For even more versatility, there's a dual-level cargo floor, so whether you're hauling gear or grocery shopping, this space works for you. For tech lovers, the Sportage doesn't disappoint. The base model features an 8-inch infotainment screen, but the 2.3-inch upgrade is well worth it, with crisp graphics and a user-friendly layout. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, while the touch-sensitive controls offer dual functionality for the climate system and stereo, adding a neat, streamlined feel. Optional upgrades include a Harman or Cardin audio system, a wireless phone charger, and a subscription-based Wi-Fi hotspot, making the Sportage well equipped for a connected lifestyle. Safety is always a top priority, and Kia's packed the Sportage with standard and optional driver assistance features. Standard features include forward collision warning, automated emergency braking, lane departure warning, and lane keeping assist. For those looking for extra security, you can opt for the blind spot monitor, rear cross traffic alert, and navigation-based adaptive cruise control, along with a smart park system similar to Hyundai's. It's clear that the Sportage is built for family comfort and safety. When it comes to warranty, Kia leads the pack. Their powertrain warranty is one of the best in the industry, covering up to 10 years or 100,000 miles. The limited warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles, though Kia doesn't include complimentary maintenance, which some competitors like Toyota do offer. How does the Sportage stack up against the competition? Compared to the Mazda CX-5 and Honda CR-V, the Kia Sportage wins on price and technology but slightly lags in raw power for the non-hybrid. And if we look at our recent reviews, like the rugged Toyota Helix, the Sportage can't match it in towing or off-road prowess, but it does offer a much more comfortable and stylish daily driving experience. Each crossover has its own unique strengths, but the Sportage is a fantastic choice for those who want modern tech, safety, and design without stretching their budget. The 2025 Kia Sportage is a versatile, stylish, and tech-savvy crossover that's ready for family life, commutes, and weekend trips. Its affordable price, great safety features, and Kia's excellent warranty make it a solid contender. So, if you're looking for a crossover with some serious style and substance, the Sportage is definitely worth a test drive. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on our next review. Thanks for watching Crazy Auto Premiere, where we bring you the latest car reviews every week.